Hello guys, today we are talking about BGP peer establishment, the topic. So I will introduce myself. I am Inshad, CC in routing and switching. So I have full course outline for master in BGP. So it will cover full topic of CC level. So you can go through the outline and see the what are the topic are covering. Okay, let's start our topic, BGP peer establishment. So guys, many of guys know how BGP the peer establishment process. BGP established BGP use infinite state machine. This is the BGP mechanism for peer establishment. Okay, and maintain the table of peer. Same like IGP, BGP use certain step to establish the peer relationship. So this will help you to understand troubleshoot the peer. This step will help you understand and troubleshoot the BGP peer related issues. The main difference between BGP and IGP for neighbor discovery. IGP use multicast to automatically discover the neighbors. Suppose if you enable network command under the OSPF or EGIP process, it will automatically discover the neighbor, use multicast. But in case of BGP, it's a different scenario. It will use unicast. Port number TCP 179. Also, you have to be manually configure the neighbor statement under the BGP. So let's we talk about the certain step of BGP, how they establish neighbor relationship. First is idle. This is the first state when we configure a new BGP neighbor. It will read the infinite. It will try to initiate the TCP port 117 to the neighbor. The idle state. It is called idle state. So when you first configure the neighbor, it will be idle state. So in case anything happen is not unable to establish, it will remain the ideal state. Then the second step be connect state. Connect will be BGP will TCP will establish three-way handshake to the neighbor. Many of guys know the how TCP handshake will work. Usually TCP, the client will send request to server. The server will acknowledge back. Then they each other confirm. That is the three state. So this state is waiting for TCP three-way handshake. Once it done, it will directly go to open state. If anything happen, it will go to the active state. So active means active or idle state. The active state like BGP will, once the three-way handshake fail, BGP will wait for connection time to be expired, like 190 seconds. That is a long time, around 3 minutes. So once it's expired, it will retry again waiting for another 3 minutes. In between, it will keep listening if any incoming connection from the peer to be establish the neighbor relationship. So why active state is happening in our network? Like when BGP goes down in active state, you can find out if you have any filtering the TCP connection from your firewall or your or acceleration C or P. If you configure any wrong IP address, and if you have link issue, reachability issue, this case it will come to the active state. Active state BGP will try another TCP three-way handshake to establish the neighbor relationship with the remote peer. If it's successful, it will go to it will move to the open state. If the connectivity have replay time will be there around 180 seconds. So have to be wait for this second to be expired, then it will try again. In meantime, it will keep listening any uh, relationship connection coming from the remote peer. So after TCP three-way handshake successful, it will go to the open send. You know the open send. This is the main part of BGP exchanging the information. Open send. So BGP send open message to to peer. It will have hold timer, AS number, router ID, BGP version number, address family, etc. This is the first time BGP sending open message to its peer. If anything error is happening, it will send notification, the open message like you have wrong AS number or incorrect version, BGP version, etc. This phase BGP will decide either there to be peer relationship with IGP or eBGP because they will check the AS. If you are using same AS, it will be IBGP, and if you are using different AS, it will be eBGP. So more than this one, they will send the detail like your router ID, address family, IPv4 unicast, BGP table version, neighbor capabilities, route refresh, lot of information they are exchanging between. So this is the open send state. Then it will waiting the confirmation from the peer. Once they confirm, they will next step is the open confirm. Once they confirm this peer the parameter matching, then it will send the keep LA message. The keep LA message means it will adjust the hold time. Like if you have normal hold time is 60 seconds, every hello packet will come, 180 seconds it will expire. So that means it will wait for 180 seconds, and then if peer doesn't have any respond, it will go to the down stage. So they will adjust between the hold time because some one side maybe you configure the lowest value, it will automatically adjust the lowest value. The final stage is the establishment. So all parameter matches, BGP send open a message and confirm and keep alive, and they send keep alive each other and adjust the whole time. Then next step is BGP send updates. Updates means they are sending all the routing updates. What are the prefix or subnet NRI, all they will send to the neighbors. They are exchanging with each other. So this is the final step of BGP neighbor relationship. I will show some example in Wireshark how it will you can see capture the data. See first BGP send a establishment request port number 179. So they send to SYN. Then after that it will go to acknowledgement. So it will, the neighbor acknowledge the packets. Then it will go to the next process is like open message. So after that acknowledgement is received, then it will go to the, we can see the three-way handshake like acknowledgement, SYN and acknowledge. There is three-way handshake is happened here. So then next is the open message. What are the open message they are sending? They are checking the BGP version, AS number, hold time, BGP identifier, router ID. These are they are sending the open message. Other optional parameter also there. It's not showing. That is the capabilities. As I told you, neighbor capability they are exchanging between this one IPv4 address family, route refresh, etc. That also sending. Then next stage is the keep alive. They are sending keep alive. The keep alive you can see they sending the keep alive message each other. You can see the keep alive message. They are sending the keep alive message. The final state is update message. You can see the route update message. They're sending update message because I didn't advertise any routes, so it's not showing the update. So how many route to we withdraw or path attributes, anything send it. I not configure anything, that's why it's not showing. If anything not configure it will show you number of this one. It will send it. I will go to the router and check what are the race changing. See what I told you, the BGP version, router ID. So the now establishment state it is showing. So that means it's established. The whole time is here you can see 180 seconds. Keep alive interface by default. I didn't do any changes. Next is what I see in the Wireshark is neighbor capabilities. That are these steps like your route refresh. They are sending in the open message like address family, IP4 unicast, enhanced route refresh capabilities, like a route refresh, soft, soft inbound, outbound, how you are doing without interrupting the peer. Then I have see the notification message they send and receive. One notification they send and receive. Then updates. Now I have advertised one of the network is showing the updates, three updates because it's usually they're sending one only, because now I advertise they send two network, it will show three updates. I also done route refresh. It's showing I send from here is one route refresh. So this message statics is 13. So the how many prefix I send it is showing one. Current prefix is one, I send it. So there is, so this is the BGP neighborship relationship establishment process. Hope you understand. Keep watch the channel for more videos, demo videos. If you want to full course, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number, or you can chat with me in the same WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching.